welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. So I thought I would just come on here and share some items that I received from Influenster and PinchMe. You guys know that I like to share this with you guys. They are not some of my most viewed videos. They're not very popular, but that's okay. I do love to share that with you guys and just show you things that you guys could possibly get if you sign up for Influenster or PinchMe. I will put the information, as always, linked down below. It is free. You just sign up and they periodically will send you surveys and things like that to do to see if you are eligible or you fit the campaign that they're going to do at that moment in time. So I did receive 2 from Influenster, and I also received 1, like I said, from PinchMe. So we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to share with you guys the items. So the first one is from Influenster. This is a product from Tom Ford. It is a perfume and it's called Tom Ford Soleil Blanc perfume. And that is what the card looks like right there. Very pretty. And it says here that the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc is an addictive floral, amber, and coco de mer infused perfume, alive with seductive cardamom and refreshing, decadent yang, I guess is how you say that. The fragrance unapologetically exudes the endless pursuit of sun and luxury. The key notes are coco de mer, yang, Comores Island, and cardamom. And I am not required to make this video or anything like that. I just do it for your purpose so that you guys can try to go on and get some free products for yourself. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is what it came in. It's really pretty and very fancy and luxury. It is a 1 fluid ounce. I have used it and tried it, and let me get it. The bottle looks like this. Super cute, super pretty. There's the top of it. This is definitely a unique scent. Nothing I have ever smelled before, but I really do like it. When you first take an initial whiff of it, you get like a powdery scent, almost like baby powder, and then you get that floral, and that just really, it's hard to explain what I can compare it to. I have nothing in my collection I can compare it to. The only thing that it comes close to what I had was the Gucci Guilty for women. I did pass that along to a friend because I just didn't find myself gravitating toward it or using it, and it was a pricey perfume and I did not want it to go to waste. But first off, when I smell this, that is what it reminds me of, except this is not as potent as that one was. I just could not get myself past the smell of that one. It does not smell bad, but I just didn't like it for myself. But that is what this somewhat reminds me of, but this one's so much better. I love it. Like I said, the first initial scent you get is powdery, but it's really, really nice. It's definitely something unique in my collection. I have nothing like it, so I was real ecstatic to have gotten this, and I am definitely okay with it only being a 1 fluid ounce because I do not go through perfume so fast, and I have so many. I did just get another one for my birthday as well. It's really nice. Super grateful to have it. I will try to put on the screen what this retails for if you were to purchase it in the store, but I did receive this complimentary from Influenster and Tom Ford for reviewing purposes. Like I said, I was not required to make this video. I just do it because I love to share with you guys. So that is the first item. The next item that I received it came in this box here, and this is the Reach Hairvania. This says here it's from the brand Wellforia, and it is a CBD 50 ppm hemp seed oil, 99% pure CBD and vegan hemp seed oil. It says here that it has 5 dimensions of hair wellness, 4 times stronger, 6 times more conditioned, 1.5 times softer, balanced scalp, vivid shine. And that is what that looks like right there. So on the front, it just has the information. And then on this side, it has the products and a little bit more information of that. So like I said, it's vegan, not tested on animals, non-intoxicating, third-party tested. It has no parabens, sulfates, artificial dyes, mineral oil, anything like that. And so they did send me that. Now, I did not get the full sizes, but they did send me decent sizes to be able to try. And I did not get all the products that were on the paper there. But what I did receive was this little set here. This little, it's like a trial set, I guess you would call it. And let's see what it came with. Excited about this because I always love trying hair products that are going to be beneficial for me. And I'm sure my husband wouldn't mind trying this. This is a 2 fluid ounce shampoo for all hair types. That is what it looks like right there. Let's smell it. It smells minty. Oh, it smells really good. It kind of reminds me of, God, I'm thinking of what it smells like, but I just can't put the thought to it. Kind of has that eucalyptus smell, but not as strong, but also like a minty smell. So really, really nice. I really like that. I definitely get vibes of something else when I smell it, but I just can't put my finger on it. This is the conditioner right there. It also came with a nourishing treatment mask right there. This is a 2 fluid ounce as well. Very nice. And then it came with, looks like a hair and scalp oil, which will be great for my husband. Right there. Yeah, they all have the same scent. It smells really, really nice. It's just like, it kind of smells like eucalyptus, but not overpowering. Really, really nice. I'm so grateful to have received this. When I got the email saying I was getting this, I was super excited. Obviously, I would have loved to get full sizes, but this is definitely great as well. I'm just so glad to be able to try this. Definitely will let you guys know what I think, if I think it's worth picking up and all of that. And I will find the prices for each of the items if you were to purchase them in full size. So that is the second thing that I got from Influenster, which, like I said, I'm super grateful. Always love getting stuff from them. Okay, and then the last thing that I received was from PinchMe. And this is another website where you just go and you answer surveys and you do different things, and you're able to receive free products. So let's go ahead and open it. It just came in this little envelope here. Feels kind of heavy. I think it's, okay, so I had to sign up for something. I can't remember. It was maybe a free magazine or something, or even a game on my phone or something like that. And they did send me 2 packages of these brush set. So that is what they look like. There's quite a bit in it. And I'm not sure what brand this is or anything, so I can't tell you offhand, but I will try to leave the information down below or here on the screen. But let's see how many it came with. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So it's a 20-piece brush set. That is pretty amazing. I'm assuming that majority of them, except for this one, is for the face, but the rest of them are going to be for the eyes. So that's pretty awesome, I would have to say. And like I said, I didn't have to pay for these. All I did was download a game, I think, and they sent me 2 of them. So that's awesome. I will definitely be saving one for a friend mail or for a giveaway coming up when I finally get to 500. It may be a while, but that's okay. I'll have these. And they won't expire or anything. So yeah, we're just going to quickly go through, tell you what I think the brushes are for. Let's open this face one. They feel nice. They feel soft. I will say, as I'm rubbing it back and forth, there is some powder coming out of it. So I would probably suggest maybe brushing up against a towel or even doing like a quick clean rinse or something. But it feels really nice. It feels like your typical foundation brush, you know, that you would use to put on foundation or concealer. So that one feels nice. And they were free, so I'm not going to be too hard with it. Yeah, there's some powder coming out of there, which I don't know what that would be from. I never seen that happen, but probably giving them a quick rinse will probably be good. But there's that one there, just like a flat brush. You could probably use that for getting under the lash line, something like that. Then you have a spoolie right there. Looks like they gave two of these little like sponge tip ones, like the ones from Old Fashioned Sponge Tip, and then this one has like a flat shading. This will be good for glitters and pressed pigments and things like that. Nice. This one looks more of like an inner corner or maybe like a crease, like defined crease for getting right in there. It's kind of pointed, has a nice tip. And then you have quite a few that look similar, but just different sizes. Here is a liner brush. You can see that. And it is kind of slanted. Then you have another one that looks like that one I told you for the crease, but it's a little bit slanted there. Then you have like plenty flat shaders right there. But they all look similar to me, but they're just different sizes. So that's great to have. I definitely need more of those because I feel like I don't have enough flat ones. And then these look like brow and liner brushes, but they're just different shapes and sizes as well. That is what they look like. So not bad. I mean, like I said, it was free, and so I'm not going to be too hard and complain. I think it's really nice gift. And I got two of them. So one I will be keeping, like I said, for a giveaway. And then the other one I will try it out myself and see. But that is everything that I received recently from PinchMe or Influenster. And I just thought I'd come on here and share that with you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely don't forget to check them out. It is free. And I will leave all the information linked down below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you get Influenster or you've received any products from these companies, let me know that down below. I'd love to know what you've received. But thank you guys so much for watching, for taking time out to watch today. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget before you go, if you have not hit that like button and you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to go ahead and do that. Also, if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe as well if you'd like to. Let me know down below if there's any specific type of videos that you are interested in seeing. I would love to hear that from you guys. But this is going to complete this video for today. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.